Hello everyone. So let us see today how students can make their account in live worksheets. So here we have to type in first live worksheets. Click here. Then on this. Now we want to sign up. If you already have an account, then log in. Now we want to sign up if we don't have an account. So click on sign up here. So we are going to see how student can make account here. So first we have clicked on student and then there is a group code. So what is this group code? So a teacher must have sent you a code to join their class. So you will have to fill up that code here. So let me use the code here. So this is the code. I just select this, right click, copy selection. Then we go here, right click and we paste here. So this is the group code, that is your teacher's code. Then plug in your email address, username, the name that you want to keep on the account. Then your password. So here is the password. Then our full name, birthday, country, here. So I have read and accepted the terms of use. I am not a robot. Then create an account. Okay, so the username Ripan is already taken. So if the name is taken, then we will have to use another name. Let us say 11. Okay, then we have to fill in the password again. Then everything is filled. I'm not a robot. Create new account. Registration successful. Now you can log in. So if you wish to save, you can save it here. Now let us log in because we have signed up. So log in. So your login username and password is here. I am not a robot. Login. So here they are saying your email is unconfirmed. Please verify it to unlock all the features. So to verify it, go on the plus symbol and go to the Gmail. Here. So here is the first one. Live worksheets. Click here. To follow this link to activate our email and start receiving notifications. So here, if you want to be notified, when your teacher is giving homework, then you will have to click here, right? So click here. So this is your profile, that is your own profile. And here, when we click on edit, we can edit all the details again. If we wish to change something, we can change here. Add to group. So here, if your teacher has sent you a group code, you will have to put in there. So the group code we had put before, we have to put in the same. So let us go. So let us go where your teacher must have messaged you the group code. So here we go again. Take our group code, copy it, and we paste it over here and we submit it. So add it to demo class group. So the group that your teacher has made is this group, right? So now let us go back. My dashboard. So here on my dashboard, this first one, my dashboard, there will be my workbooks which your teacher must have assigned to you, right? And we click here. And here is the workbook that the teacher has assigned. So we click on it. So see, these are the assignment sheets that are there in the workbook which your teacher has given you to solve. Right? So that is how you can access the worksheets or workbooks which your teacher has given you. On the right above corner, this is the icon where you have to click to go back to your account, my account. So you can change your picture by choose file. So let us have this baby's picture. Open. So this is how we can do that. If you have chosen a wrong picture, we can remove this as well and choose another one the same way. Save. So we can see the picture here, right? Okay, so this is how we can change the picture. All the details of yours will be displaying here, and as we know now, your workbooks will be here. See, the workbooks your teacher has assigned, and this means your one workbook is here, so one is showing up. If there is any homework, it will display here. If there is any comments by your teacher, they will be displaying here. So let us go to my account. Now suppose your teacher has made another group and you want to enter there too, and they want you to enter there. So they will send a code again. What you have to do is add to group, go again, and here again you will fill the group code and submit it, and you will be entering into the group your teacher must have made. So this is how we can make an account on liveworksheets.com. So I hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching.